We'll guide you through how to fix a Bluetooth speaker connected but no sound output in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really annoying because then you can't have your sound coming through it, so we've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, you want to go and right click on the sound icon in the bottom right and press sound settings. On output, you want to go and locate it and make sure you select it. If you go and select it, go and see if it's now working. If it's not showing up in the list or it's already selected but it's not working, keep watching. Next, you want to go and scroll down like so until you find more sound settings. Come into playback, right click on some blank space and make sure show disable devices is selected. And then what you can do is go and see if it's disabled, and if it is, you can then go and right click on it and enable it, and after it's enabled it will appear in the list and you can select it. If that doesn't work, press Bluetooth for devices to the left, press devices, scroll down, press more devices and printer settings. In here you need to go and find your Bluetooth speaker. Double click on it and you then need to go and press services. If there's the option for hands-free telephony, you want to go and unselect it, press apply and press OK. See if that solves it. If it doesn't, come back to Bluetooth and devices, press the three dots in the top right and you want to go and remove device. Turn the device off, turn it back on and then put it into pairing mode. We can then press add device and select Bluetooth and connect again. Come back to sound and make sure it's then selected and hopefully now it's working.